You're watching Gold Rush and Rush, and we're recapping the Season 5 episode, Parker's Accident. So what happened? At Scribner Creek, we get immediate drama. The crew is in a panic as Parker is in a head-on collision. So what do we see? A minor two-vehicle property damage accident. We have somber music, with Parker holding his dog. Parker feels bad as he jacked his first new truck. Really, Discovery? We had a week of promos for that? Anyway, John Schnabel is coming to celebrate Parker's 20th birthday. Parker wants 1,000 ounces before he arrives. But then, a conveyor belt breaks, they can't get a new one for 3 days, they do a clean-out, and are 22 ounces short. Parker gives the crew the weekend off and goes into town. Suddenly, a new belt arrives, and the crew goes back to work. When Parker returns with John Schnabel, the crew surprises Parker on his birthday with 22 ounces. Is that all? No, there's more. We get more slow pouring of gold for another 29.9 ounces. We get handshakes and happiness. Tony's dredge is in hundreds of pieces and he begins reconstruction. His crew is upset with all the damage to the pieces caused by Tony's rush to offload. Tony wants to assemble the pontoons in 1 day. The crew says it's impossible and gets frustrated. Tony shows the crew the gold-rich ground, and the crew is now happy. There's drama as a pontoon seems to slowly lower itself to the ground. What happened? A crane brake didn't hold, a second crane is brought in, and the pontoons are assembled in 1 day. Todd makes a motivational speech saying he wants to smash 1,000 ounces because it's their last chance. Again. In order to do this, they need to run pay dirt 1 mile to Monster Red. The drivers are unable to deliver the pay dirt fast enough, so they drive faster. 2 trucks appear to hit head-on. Do they? No. The crew goes to Todd with their safety concerns. We get arguing, crew member throws his helmet, and refuses to drive. Todd solves the problem by building a pay dirt superhighway. The drivers are now happy, they run the pay dirt. What do they get? 22.74 ounces worth $28,000. Todd and Jack feel bad and worry about going bankrupt again. You know, I never knew going bankrupt could be this expensive. Join us next week when we find out Parker is actually John Schnabel's clone. And don't forget to watch previous episodes of Gold Rush in a Rush.